Air. This is a required weekly test of the emergency alert system.
Me included, but it's not just me. It's people like
Lead contractor with the expertise to help you.
Weather Service forecast for central Arkansas. Today, partly. This is a test of the National Weather Service Hazardous Weather Warning System. You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System. Tests of this warning system on NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards are made each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a possibility of severe weather, the test will be delayed until the next good weather day. The NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System is equipped with a warning service called SAME. This is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio and television stations. This has been a test. At the end of this test, regular programming will resume.